Welcome to What You Need to Know About Divorce and Estate Planning, Part 3. I Do. Again. Congratulations, you have found love and want to get remarried. Today we're going to share with you why updating your estate planning documents might be the most important thing you can do before you say, I do, again. My name is Stacy Perez, and I'm a family law attorney in Tampa, Florida. I primarily handle divorce, child support, and custody modifications, along with prenups and adoption cases.
My name is Myrna Serrano Setty, and I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney in Tampa, Florida. I primarily handle wills, trusts, estates, guardianships, and Medicaid protection cases.
Here's a story of a lovely lady who was bringing up 3 very lovely girls. And one day, when the lady met this fellow, who was busy with 3 boys of his own, their relationship blossomed and they formed a new family. You might call it a bunch. Before you walk down the aisle, consider a prenuptial agreement. I know what you're thinking, and they're not just for rich people. You've already been through a divorce once. A prenup can give you the peace of mind for your new relationship because you've already decided on the important things. You can use a prenup to protect your kids from your previous relationship, to decide in advance who gets what, and to be fair to the new love of your life.
Now that you're married, you need to update your estate planning documents and financial accounts to reflect your new life. For example, now that you're married, you may want your spouse to inherit from you. And if you don't do anything, then your new spouse and your kids could end up in court and in conflict later on. Also, if you have a good relationship with your stepchildren and you want to provide for them after your death, you need to specifically include them. Otherwise, they may lose out. On the other hand, if you're not close to your stepchildren and you want to protect yourself and your property, you should plan ahead. You should get your basic estate planning documents in order so that the most important people in your life can step in and help you no matter what happens. And with the right estate planning documents in place and the right guidance, you can help keep your family and yourself out of court and conflict if something happens to you. The basic estate planning documents you need are healthcare directives in case you get too sick or hurt to communicate your wishes, a power of attorney for your finances and legal decisions, and a will or a trust that legally documents who gets your property after you die. A will or a trust is especially important when there are kids from previous relationships, and you don't want your ex to ever be in charge of any money or insurance that you leave behind. And with a will or a trust, you can put someone else in charge who you do trust to take control. And when we have a blended family, things can get really complicated, so you want to make sure that you have these documents in place. In life, there's a lot that we can't control, even in the course of our own relationships. But you can take control when you call us for help. Mention this webinar and schedule your free consultation. Thank you for watching What You Need to Know About Divorce and Estate Planning. Parts 1 and 2 are available on serranosetty.com and stacyperezlegal.com.